Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-layer, 1-pan beef dish that is so good. I love it so much because it has the veggies, the protein. Just serve with some pita bread or any kind of flat bread and you're set for a great dinner. We're going to start by chopping finely half an onion. This onion is about 350 grams. I'm using only half of this onion. This is sweet onion, very finely chopped. Set aside and chop 1 large garlic clove. Set aside as well. And now I'm going to chop a handful of parsley, flat leaf parsley, or about 1 cup finely chopped. That'll be enough. And don't be intimidated by all the chopping. You can use the food processor for this. You can do it in no time at all. And for all the amounts and all the ingredients, look in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so. Follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. I add to a big bowl, add 1.5 pounds of chuck beef. And it has to be ground beef that has a good amount of fat in it. You'll thank me later. It's going to be juicier and nicer in flavor. 20% fat, 80% beef is about right. We're going to season with salt, allspice. Allspice is very important. Black pepper, and maybe a touch of a mixed seasoning. Your choice. You don't have to. The main 3 ingredients should be salt, pepper, allspice, and that's it. I had a Turkish kebab blend that I added. I added about half a tablespoon of that, but you don't have to. Mix the beef with the onion and spices very well. You're gonna make this bowl and set aside. You can use any pan you want. I'm using my handy dandy cast iron, my trusty cast iron. This is 13-inch. I'm gonna spray some canola or olive oil. The next step is I'm gonna slice very thinly some potatoes on top of the pan, just like you see here. About 2 small potatoes or 3, just to cover the base of the pan. I washed and I peeled the potatoes. And this is the thinnest setting. You can do whatever. You can slice by hand, make sure they're thin. Spread all over. Season with a touch of salt and black pepper. Now you're gonna spread the meat on top of the potatoes. Try your best not to mess with the potatoes. This beef mixture is so simple yet so flavorful, and the fat plays a good role in making it taste so good. The second layer is done. Now the third layer, I'm gonna use about 4 to 5 Roma tomatoes. You can use any tomato you like. You're gonna season the tomatoes with a touch of salt and pepper as well. Cover the whole thing. Now for the 4th layer, and it's actually the inspiration for this recipe, I found these amazing tri-colored peppers. These are sweet. I cut them into thin strips. You can cut any way you like. I'm gonna use about 5 of these. This is one of the ways I try to add vegetables to my kids' diet. You're gonna season the pepper layer as well with a little bit of salt and black pepper. You can actually bake at this point, or you can make it even more special and add some tomato sauce on top of the whole thing and bake. I'm gonna do the tomato sauce. I add about 2.5 cups of a very good tomato sauce. You can add a touch of water if you want a lot of sauce, or you can leave it the way it is. You're gonna bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And it's ready. The peppers are soft and charred on top. The potatoes are very soft and very flavorful from all the fat of the beef. The whole dish is a very good dish. You can serve it with some pita bread or any flat bread. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!